We, the APC Solidarity and Development Forum, strongly condemn Chief Tony Okocha's declaration with utmost alacrity. We believe that his reckless statement is a call for anarchy and threatening the stability and progress of Rivers State. Our party requires leaders who are willing to navigate the intricate web of politics with wisdom and foresight. And let us also use this medium to condemn the evil hand behind all these shenanigans. Again, we regrettably express our deep disappointment and concern over the insensate call made by Mr. Tony Okocha for the impeachment of Governor Fubara. As a political party in a democratic nation, we do not interfere with the people's action in choosing what it is they might desire, or who it is that is their choice of a leader. We only subject ourselves to the perfect choice of leadership we believe they want, and leaving them to the choice they make. We therefore ask that this time everything be done in the right way, everything be handled in an orderly manner. This time the party be closely watched and every man's agenda come only behind the agenda to move the state and nation forward.